There are at least 700 million people around the world who are now over the age of 60. By 2030, 1.4 billion people, or approximately 20% of the world's population, will be 60 years or older. The increase in the number of older people will be the greatest and most rapid in the developing world, with Asia as the region with the largest number of older persons. With this in mind, enhanced attention to the particular needs of older individuals is clearly required. Just as important, though, are the breakthrough solutions that allow older individuals to enjoy their golden years and live optimally. Advancements in the science of healthy aging lie at the core of efforts in this regard. This is Quintin Pastrana for a special video report brought to you by CPE Philippines. The World Health Organization defines healthy aging as a process of developing and maintaining functional ability that enables well-being in older age. Functional ability is about having the capabilities that enable all people to do what they value the most. This includes a person's ability to meet their basic needs, to learn, grow, and make decisions, to be mobile, to build and maintain relationships, and most importantly, to contribute to society. The good news is that with the worldwide graying of the population, people are now aging for a longer period of time, more than ever before. Joining us today is the Philippines' leading authority on the subject of healthy aging, Dr. Lucero. Dr. Lucero, simply speaking, from your expertise, could you describe the process of aging? How do we age?
How do we age?
Yes.
We always count the days. The cells continue to age by all the actions, the effects of the environment, the food that we eat, the air that we breathe, the medicines that we take, supplements that we take. All of this affect the cells, and changes happen inside the cells. It's not only aging of all the cells all at the same time, but part of it ages maybe a little faster now, slower on the other parts, then faster again on the other parts. So that's how aging happens.
Now, Dr. Lucero, this is a very simple question, but is there really a silver bullet or a cure to aging?
Nothing. There's nothing in this world that is a silver bullet, so to speak, to stop or delay aging. All of this are many factors that play its part. All we have is supplements or measures that will slow down the aging, and hopefully we can live a little longer, more functional, more beneficial to the environment.
Doc, given the multifaceted nature of aging, there are advancements out there. One of them that comes to mind is cell therapy. Could you talk about that?
Cell therapy, it's a very popular topic nowadays because of the stem cell, and the two are interchangeable. Mm-hmm. Cell therapy means we introduce live cells into the body. It can also mean introduction of materials that can help rejuvenate the cells inside our body.
Now, Dr. Lucero, you have a particular product that you want to focus on today. Tell us about Celergen and how does it encapsulate cell therapy?
Celergen is a product of a company in Switzerland, and the product was bought, the brand and the product was bought by a Singaporean company, and it's marketed here in Asia mainly by Singapore. The Celergen is not a capsule, it's more of a soft gel. Mm-hmm. This is made up of bio-DNA of fish coming from the Mediterranean. And also added to that will be 3 kinds of peptides. Peptides are amino acid combinations, and you make the peptide a little more complex, and that becomes a protein. So these 2 peptides or 3 peptides also help in the rejuvenation of the cells. A very strong antioxidant, and acts on the cells, particularly in a little organelle in the cell called mitochondria, the energy factory of the cell. So if you rejuvenate that, then there's a resurgence of youthful energy in a person, and some of their ailments, chronic illnesses, are helped by this.
So, Dr. Lucero, what you're saying is at the cellular level, the most basic level, that's where the intervention of cell therapy is.
Yes,
and therefore, based on that intervention, you can actually address a number of symptoms.
Yes,
So
yes.
could you tell us about the benefits, specific benefits that you can get from taking Celergen?
Varied effect on the body. Number one will be the first thing that the patients or the person will experience will be renewed energy, better sleep, better looking skin. So people who like to look a little beautiful, a little more youthful.
That happens to be many
Many.
of our audience.
It's practically 90% of the population.
Yeah, exactly.
Or I would say 90% of the women. And lately, more and more men would like to have beautiful skin.
I think it's an equal opportunity desire.
Yes, maybe that's true. So those are the initial benefits that you derive from this. And then those who have chronic illnesses like diabetes, osteoarthritis, some we call autoimmune disease, like the simplest is allergy, maybe psoriasis or lupus. These are somehow helped by this supplement, and they have lesser symptoms in a matter of few weeks, in a matter of few months. And that's how we see the good effect, the benefits that they can derive from this Celergen supplement.
All right, so you're talking about both degenerative diseases, but also autoimmune, and then even lifestyle diseases.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Now, Dr. Lucero, when we talk about the kind of profile of a Celergen user, who should be taking Celergen?
Anybody should be taking Celergen. I would recommend this to many of my patients who start seeing the aging process in their face externally at maybe about 40 years old, 45 and on. And these are the people who will start to have symptoms or signs of chronic illnesses. And if they are not ill, they are looking